I'm Double Barrel. Let's have some fun.
Hi, welcome back to Smash with Double Barrel. It's a lovely day in Ohio. I'm kidding. It's Ohio weather. What can I say? Good thing camera guy grew some mutton chops. It's the original one now, so hopefully less camera giggles. I'm watching you, and so is the crowd now. First thing we got today is another nut gift from Sister Barrel. It's a nutcracker. She doesn't get that Christmas was almost 3 weeks ago, so she keeps sending me stuff, but we're not going to turn it down. Let's smash it.
In reality, this was my nutcracker. Double Barrel stole it for this video.
All right, 3, 2. That was explosive, and I did not just poop myself, it was just gas, don't worry.
Fatality.
Make this quick, because camera guy is freezing. Alright, what else we got next Smash? Because I killed the nutcracker.
My man.
Ooh, I caught it, cool. Oh, wait a minute, that's still going. Shazam! I did it, that's why I pay at the editor. Okay, let's kill this.
My man.
What's that, camera guy? You want it on fire? All right, let's try it again. Shazam!
No.
Oh, wait, that didn't work. Let's try it the other way. Mazaz!
Not again.
Light! Something! And do.
Sigh.
Shout out to the person who suggested candles. Apparently you want to burn down camera guy's backyard. We're going to have some fun. Well, that was messy and satisfying. How's the hammer? Oh, it's beautiful, baby. All right, let's cut it. All right, that was fun. Another.
My man.
Booyah! Are you recording now? Are you sure? All right, camera guy missed a bit when I hit the open fire, and I missed. It burned down his backyard. Lucky you guys weren't here. Let's have some fun! The hell?
Denied.
Holy. Dude! Dude, look what you did to my hammer! Look at it! Look at it!
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
I spent all week doing that! Be sure to like and subscribe, pay your tithes, love your wives, pay your wives, love your tithes, I guess. I don't know, we're mixing it up. I'm kind of angry at camera guy right now and his mutton chop, so, thank you for the suggestion and have a good day.
Very carefully, he lowers the fire, tries to get it lit. I'm not going to have the stocking, so this is purely for bullshit. Have fun. Will it stay lit, ladies and gentlemen? I am Jacques Cousteau, and we do not know.
This is why Double Barrel is not allowed to hold the camera. Ever.